I'm here with Candice Manifold, who is from Forever, right? Can you just tell us a bit more about yourself, about the company, and what you do, basically?
Yeah, of course. Well, my name's Candice Manifold. I am a solicitor full-time, but I also have a business under the umbrella of this global company called Forever Living. I work that business part-time. It supplements my income. Part of that business is being a business coach globally and showing other people how to be in business for themselves. And at the moment, that's what my focus is on, really, developing the business globally, and particularly in Africa, because that's one of our fastest growing countries.
Okay, so how long have you been with Forever Living?
I started my business in February this year, and now my business trades across England and also in Africa and also in the US, the United States of America, in 4 different states.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's great.
Right. So if there's anyone out there watching this and they're like, oh, I want to get in touch with this lady, she's probably going to help me set up something of my own, how can they do that? Are you available on Facebook, on Twitter? Can I have your email, phone number?
Of course, yep. You can contact me on Facebook. My Facebook name is Candice Manifold, which is Candice, and then surname Manifold, Manifold. You can also contact me on my mobile phone, 07847 334 777, or at my email address, which is achievingdreams@live.co.uk, because that's what we do. We achieve dreams.
All right. Thanks, Candice. Thank you.